So the last time that we actually met, Euro USD was in here. This red candlestick here. Okay. So now there's a different case. Okay. That's as I explained the last time you were here. Okay. That immediately a resistance is broken, it turns into what? Support. Okay. So like this one here, support. This was acting as a resistance. That's why there was these two green red candlesticks that dropped. Okay. Then after that, it got broken by these two green candlesticks. Okay. And it found another level here, this level acting as a resistance. Okay. So immediately a resistance is found. What is supposed to take place is a retest on the previous resistance that turned into support, which is this level that is being tested. Okay, you've seen that? Yeah. So this level is the one that is actually being tested right now. Okay. So after this, what do we expect to see the market? We expect the next month candlestick, it's going to rise. Okay, we either rise or it might fall down. Okay, so we'll be monitoring. It might break. Yeah, monitoring if this is actually going to break. But due to the fact that we are, what's the date for today? Today is the 14th, meaning we still have more days for the market to keep dropping. Still have more days for the market to keep dropping. So let's now go in the weekly time frame. What are we seeing in the weekly time frame? Okay, this is what we are seeing in the weekly time frame. I explained the last time we were here when the market was here. I explained what we are supposed to see next. I told you to say after this test, we're supposed to see the rise to the top, which that is what actually happened. Okay. Now, looking at this, look at this. This level here, okay, it's where the market has become a ranging market. So this is a range. In the weekly time frame, you've seen it, right? In this box, it's a range. Okay? So every after a range, we are supposed to expect after this breakout, we expect a retest in the market. Yeah, continues. You've seen that? So it's going to be ranging again. No, it's just testing this level. This level here. This is the level that is being tested here. This level. You've seen? Okay. So when you look at this, we're expecting the market to do what? To make a drop again. Expecting the market to create. It's going to break out. No, it's going to drop. Why isn't it going to? What's your question? Why isn't it going to? Why isn't it like when it finds that support level, the one that you've marked blue? Isn't it supposed to rise back? Yeah, it is, but looking it in the monthly time frame, be aware that we are supposed to be dealing with all time frames. Okay, monthly, weekly, and daily. Wait, what is it showing in the monthly time frame? In the monthly time frame, it's showing that the market is still testing the previous low. This level. Where's the monthly time? This level here. Still testing this. So it won't just happen overnight that the market will rise. No. It takes days, it takes months, it takes more than 2 months. It takes a lot of time. Okay. Now, as day traders, we mainly start analyzing the market from the weekly time frame. Okay, from the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, and the daily time frame. So In the daily time frame, we know that the market just tested this level here. Okay, seen this level. Yeah. So after this test, you've seen this, the red candlestick.
Wait, chill. Isn't that the green candlestick indicating another rise again?
Yeah, it indicated a rise already. That is why there is this. Look at this other red candlestick here. Immediately touch this level. You've seen? Okay. Then this green candlestick was created. Okay. So when the market wants to change its direction, okay, to either create an M formation, a double top, head and shoulders, or it will create a rising or a falling triangle. You get? So why did I say we're expecting the market to fall? It's because this, when it drops here, okay, to create an M like this, you see? Look at it in the line chart. You see? Yeah, so it drops here to create an M like this one. Oh, no. That is what we are thinking, okay? That is what the market is actually showing us. But let's go further in the daily time frame. Don't just analyze the market in one time frame and say you are done. No, let's go further in the daily time frame. Okay, what is it? Yeah, you can talk. What's your question?
Man, should continue.
Okay. Look at it. Look at it in the daily time frame. The market is what? Is very, very much clear. It's very, very much clear. Okay. Now, after the market, I tested this level here. Okay.
It rejected.
Yeah, it immediately got rejected. Okay. But bearing in mind with the larger time frame that this is still in a downtrend.
A downtrend, yeah.
Yeah, it's still a downtrend. So what do we expect here? We're expecting the market to keep falling. Okay. This, you've seen this.
So what level is it going to fall from?
Okay. Currently it's standing on this level. You've seen it, okay? And immediately when you look at this type of candlestick that was created, okay, this long wing has to be filled. Okay.
Okay.
This long wing has to be filled. So we are currently sitting on level 1.19499. Okay. So and this is what we want to see. This.
At when it hits which level?
Currently we're standing on this level. We've seen it, huh? And then we want it to drop further.
1.94.
And want it to drop further. Now we've seen that this is a down trend. Okay.
So Karikugwa.
Hey, Karikugwa. Okay, look at this. Why won't I? Look at this. This is an M formation. Okay. And after an M formation, we expect a retest, then a drop. And drop. Then after this, it creates this. So after this, what do you expect? Expect a drop. So that is what is actually.
So
yeah, that is what is actually supposed to happen. You've seen information and overextended information. Okay, overextended information. Okay. Hapana pepe penska information akaona. Then after this retest, then it dropped. Okay, so in this we expect here, then it will drop. Read. Now let's check it for further confirmation for our entries. We use the 4 hour time frame for you to have the best entries. So from the 4 hour time frame, what can we get? This is what we're seeing from the 4 hour time frame. Okay. Look at this level, got broken and got retested. Okay. Look at this.
This one was a bullish movement.
Look at this. Where are I?
Yes.
Not talking much, just showing you some of these things. You need to know why at this point the market was rising. Why at this point this happened. Okay. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You've seen this trend, downtrend, right? I want a downtrend.
Massive downtrend, man.
Yeah. This is a big move.
So those three the shans the lower highs. Those three lower highs, huh? You seen them?
Yes.
The first point touches, the second point touches,
the third point
that
breaks.
So that's a confirmation that it would.
Okay.
Is that a confirmation that it's still in a downtrend?
Just as I taught you, okay? You only need 2 for you to confirm that this is a downtrend. And I said when we met the last time you were here that mostly what happens is immediately the third touch is made, the market mostly breaks. Okay? So this is the first touch. Okay? This is the first touch.
Okay.
Second touch.
Okay.
Immediately
that's the second touch.
Yes, immediately the third touch happened. What did the market do? The market broke. Okay. And someone can ask, okay, how come that the market had to fall and then go up again? It's because immediately the trend line is broken. The market has to come back for a retest, then it continues going up. You've seen that? You've seen that?
Yes,
that is why there was this breakout. That is why there was that breakout. Okay?
Yes, big man.
So what are we expecting? So look at this level. It touched this level, then it went up. Okay?
I think we're expecting
so what are we expecting now? If I was to ask you what are we expecting now? Now that you've seen. Yeah. Looking at it, looking at this.
So wait, sure. Before it drops, is indeed going to go high, like it goes up, and then it hits this level. Yeah, it hits this level. Yes, and then
This level.
gets rejected by that resistance. Is that how it would be?
Okay. Now, we've seen the market in the 4 hour time frame, right? Now let's go. I want to show you something in the 1 minute time frame. Okay. Look at this.
Boy.
Look at this. I wanna break it.
Replace.
Chill. That's it. So I wanna break it. Huh? It break it up. It broke. Then after it broke, what did the market do? It went for a retest on this level. Okay. Then after that, what did the market do? Marketing started with this. It got rejected, then it started dropping. So expect a further drop. Expect a further drop.
So that's a selling point.
Yes, that's a selling point. That's a confirmation for a selling point. Immediately the market is open, you sell. So if look at this, expect that drop. We've seen that. And immediately this level here is broken. This level is
It will be a support,
here.
no?
Yeah, so you've seen it. So if that is what is going to happen, the market breaks this level, you've seen that, to come and test here, then goes back on this level,
Get rejected.
and continue.
It might be rejected again.
So I wanna go. Now pay particular attention.
Yeah, man.
How I'm choosing these levels. I'm not just choosing levels for the sake of choosing, but I'm going for levels that has got most touches. Most touches. I'm looking for most touches. Most touches. Whoever did it that way, okay? So this is the selling point. Selling points, okay? So currently we've discovered two selling points. You've seen. Can you see that? Discovered two selling points.
Wait. The first one and the second one.
Yes, this is the first one where the market is. This is the second one. Okay. That's how it is. The other thing that can give you a further confirmation is this.
So immediately. I can say 3 points.
You've seen this? You've seen that? So after this break, after it broke, after the market broke, okay. After the market broke this major level, look at this. Look at this. The breaking was so powerful that the market didn't test it, okay, but it came to test it with this. You've seen. So here we are going to sell, okay, until this level is hit. This is our main target. Until this level is hit, then we are done. So on this analysis, we're only looking for selling opportunities. We're only looking for major selling opportunities, major selling opportunities if it has to take us a week, then we are going to wait for that week. For the fact is, we're only looking for major selling opportunities. Major, I repeat, major selling opportunities on Euro USD. I'll send the analysis in the group. On this, we're only looking for major selling opportunities. That's all. Okay. Now, have you seen the way I've written down the major points that has got most touches? Look at this touch here. Break, retests, goes up, gets rejected, comes back, tests this, creating it the second touch on the trend line, and it goes up. After this break, a retest takes place, and it goes up. After this goes this, it creates an information here, comes back, goes back to test on the neckline, then drops, then goes back here,
Rejected.
then bam, bam, bam,
Breaks.
bam. So this is our main target. Yes. Then we're done. This is what's supposed to happen. This is what we are waiting for now. Any further question? Ask now or forever. Okay, the market has even started moving. The market has even started moving. Yes, it has.
It's open.
No, it's not yet open, but it has just started moving. You've seen the type of, you've seen this type of candlestick. This type of candlestick, you've seen it. So let me just
The one that's moving.
Finish up with this analysis. What are you saying?
When it is much in Nigeria these days.
Yeah?
Oh, sorry.
I'll send this analysis. The markets are about to open. The markets are about to open.
So in the hour time frame, this resistance level we're expecting to drop once the market opens.
Yes.
Not so.
Yes.
So we place a sell there.
Yes.
Not so.
Now we won't rush in.
And then it will.
We won't rush in.
Wait for a retest.
Yes, we won't rush in just placing a sell there and then. No, we won't do that.
But we have to wait for a retest.
We'll be moving in accordance to the 1 minute and because I don't want to open up a trade. Then at the end, it goes in loss. So
the 1 minute.
Yes, we'll be trading in line with the 1 minute time frame as well.
So we'll be checking in the 1 minute what's happening in the 1 minute then.
Yeah, from here we're going to move to the 1 minute time frame.
So my analysis was correct.
Good.
Hi, Father.
So,
Nice car, servant.
you've seen it, come? Nepanga sense.
Ioneka. Nasionveka.
Omveka, maifupanga sense ini. Hai.
Sense boy. My is actually a breakout my support levels yonza yabi yonza.
Aya ka? Yeah. Yo, the other thing, I'm about to show you something. I'm about to show you something. Just hold on.
Boy, first before
So, the other thing is this that you have to pay merit attention to. I think that you have to pay merit attention is, let me just finish up this. Let me just send it over in the group.
sending it in the Telegram group.
Yes. Group that only has.
Boy, on GMT M5 boy.
One second. You're playing music. So we're done with the analysis now. We're done with the analysis.
I think I was watching anime.
Huh? Let me show you something else. Where is that? So there is another thing I didn't teach was it concerning financial news. Okay. I want to change yabuaku Chrome ka?
Chrome.
Gangi za Chrome ko? So financial news, we have to know what's going to happen in this week. What are we supposed to watch out in this coming week? Okay, this week immediately takes place. What is supposed to happen in the financial market? Is it what news is actually taking place?
Bruh, I haven't watched news in a long time.
So as Joe Biden said something. Okay, let's go. So you check for news on the
some news about
investing.com.
that dude.
Huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
boy.
So you check for news on investing.com. So there's a lot of things that you can use. Check news. You've seen? Okay, so let's go on. So just a minute. It's a minute. Okay, just a bit. I get your Sebu Kavoy. Jehovah. Okay, so you just search for, let's say, you search for Euro USD. I'm only trading Euro USD this week, but I don't trade it. I stopped trading currencies. I no longer trade currencies. But due to the fact that I only have a small amount in my trading account, so yes, I would have really focus on it. So I wanna
Kafika te.
checking. So you've seen they release news. It's more like they give you ideas. Let's say Euro USD forecast yields likely to keep rising and backing the dollar. So the euro pair finished the week with modest gains in the 1.1950 price zone as demand for the greenback is heading into the weekend.
Is heading into the weekend.
So now look at this. Euro USD consolidates around the 1.19 and mark as the key risk events approach next week. Okay, so the market will be very volatile this week because of what is about to take place. Okay, we continue to see risk that USD will push back below 1.2 in.
Yo, can you check?
I'm checking it right now.
Oh, in the morning. It's rising, huh?
Yeah, it's not a matter of it rising. There's a big gap there. That's why the market is not fully open. Okay. So when the market is not fully open, the spread between it is very big. It's very, very, very large. Okay. The spread between the ask and the bid price, it's very huge. So that is the time that you need to pay merit attention to what is actually
happening.
Okay. So let's open up my chart. Let me move it to the screen of mine.
Such big goose should go on it. Waiting. What one photos you got one?
My photo is good.
But Telegram.
Just one.
New music.
So tabu it, okay. Jehovah. Actually, don't have a broadening. I want us to go in smaller time frame for this one. Okay, so that you see something. This
And it's not
big time.
Then 30 minutes.
Yeah. That we know what is really taking place. The market, there's a high possibility that the market, you've seen where I've pointed the arrow. The market can drop even further than that. Okay? Why am I saying so? Why am I saying so? It's because this is what I want to show you now. Market can drop even further than that. Wait, let's just wait for my screens to get connected. I don't know what's making it delay so much. Okay, okay, let me just show you something. Certain levels are not supposed to forget them. Just going to mark this level. Just going to mark it for the purpose of marking. This level, you've seen it. This is what I want to show you. wanna maybe come down further, but we're just targeting this. We don't care about what's going to happen down there. If it happens, we're going to also eat it.
Confirming that it might break out of that support level.
Yes. So you've seen this, okay? Look at this in 30 minutes, okay? This is a W formation, and then after W formation, expect a retest. So there's an expectation of touching here, then going up, okay? Now look at this, 15 minutes time frame. Here's what I want to see. So the main reason why I said we need to delay a bit is because of this. Okay, we expect this touch here. Okay, the market has not touched this level. Also expect this touch here. You've seen this gap that has been left. This gap by the market. It's an indication that the market is about to change direction. So this is our buying selling point here. So you know the rules as they state. Every after a break, retest. Oh, no.
That's in the 15 minutes.
Oh, no. So let's wait to see something else. So we are aware that the market is going to drop. We're very much aware of what's going to happen next. So all we need is to exercise patience. 1 minute time frame. One minute time frame, boss. 1 minute time frame, boss. I wanna jump it, huh? You've seen this gap. It has to be covered.
Yeah,
Has to be covered. This gap represents a change of phase in the market.
direction. And then I'm daily.
Yeah. So I'm going to pause there.